wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best makeup brushes. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the angled design of the bareminerals Ready Precision is great for applying foundation or powder over the contours of your face. It's lightweight and comfortable in the hand, with silky synthetic bristles that glide smoothly for even coverage. It won't irritate sensitive skin and holds up well to frequent use. However, it is a little pricey. At number 9, the Sigma Beauty Basic Kit is a complete set of tools for achieving a variety of effects with eyeliners and eyeshadows. They're great for blending different shades, softening harsh lines, covering the lids in color, and creating hair-like brow strokes. These are good for use with gels and creams and are backed by a 2-year warranty, but some find the bristles too long. Coming in at number 8 on our list, blend your cosmetics together seamlessly with the bareminerals Perfecting Face, which is great for attaining either a natural appearance or an elaborate evening look. Its convenient reservoir stops liquid from dripping and making a mess. This one holds plenty of product and comes with a contoured matte black handle. However, it doesn't work well with powder. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for makeup brushes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the sleek Real Techniques powder and bronzer can put a stop to cakey, unnatural-looking foundation. Its large, plush head with tapered bristles sweeps evenly across the face for sheer application and smooth, high-definition results. It's effective for stippling and buffing and doesn't pick up excess product, but it's not ideal for the nose or eyes. Moving up our list to number 6. Whether you're going for a highly dramatic effect or a polished everyday look, the Nanshy Masterful collection includes all the tools you'll need. You can choose either pearlescent white handles or shiny and black ones. The synthetic hair is durable, and these are suitable for all skin types. You get 12 items in the kit. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Revlon dual-ended sports a slanted side for eyeshadow application and a dome-shaped component for smudging and diffusing color. It works well with powder and creams and features a birchwood handle designed for a comfortable grip. It's made with ultra-soft premium fibers and can draw both thin and thick lines. It comes in at a budget-friendly price too. At number 4, the compact and lightweight Matto Bamboo can be tucked away in your purse or desk drawer at work. Their plush velvety bristles are good for buffing out concealer, so you won't have to worry about streaks or patchiness. These are 4 inches long and come in a pack of 2, with a 1-year money-back guarantee. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the ecotools retractable Kabuki boasts a convenient collapsible build that's easy to travel with and comes in handy for on-the-go touch-ups. It works well with powders and bronzers and is soft enough to not irritate sensitive skin. It's made from sustainably sourced materials and comes in recycled packaging with a protective cap for storage. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for makeup brushes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, stock your cosmetics bag with the Real Techniques Everyday Essentials, which feature plush tapered bristles and are designed for applying blush, highlighter, concealer, and shadow. Also included are 2 high-quality foam sponges for putting on foundation. These have durable metal handles and come in a slotted plastic storage tray. It's good value for the price. And coming in at number 1 on our list, you'll save both time and effort with the broad, flat Sigma F80 Kabuki. Its dense head is well suited for use with either powder or cream, making it a handy choice for those who work as cosmetics professionals in television or theater. It's made from sturdy synthetic materials with extra thick bristles. It provides a smooth, natural finish. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for makeup brushes, or simply click beneath this video.